Hi, today I will discuss to you about the definition and the nature of accounting. Let's proceed first with the definitions of accounting. Accounting is the process of identifying, recording, and communicating economic events of an organization to interested users. This is from Weigand J. et al. So, dito dinefine niya that accounting is a process ng pag-identify, recording, no, record mo, and communicating economic events of an organization. Right. So let's define ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng process of identifying, process of recording, and process of communicating economic events. So when we say identifying, this involves selecting economic events that are relevant to a particular business transaction. So pipili ka o pipiliin mo, i-identify mo yung mga economic events na relevant sa business transaction. So itong mga economic events na to ng isang organization are referred to as transactions. Examples of economic events or transactions in a bakery business. Sa bakery, merong sales of bread and other bakery products. Mayroong benta. So yun ay isang example ng economic event or transaction. Another one is purchases of flour that will be used for baking. Purchases means bumili ng harina para gamitin pang bake. So dahil bumili ng harina para gamitin pang bake, ibig sabihin, economic events din siya. Transaction din siya. Another one, purchases of trucks needed to deliver the products. So, bumili or pagbili ng trucks na kailangan sa pagde-deliver ng products. So, pag bumili ng truck para gamitin sa pagde-deliver ng products or ng bread, it means that there is an economic event or transactions, right? So, now, after identifying the economic events and the transactions, the next process is recording. So when we say recording, this involves keeping a chronological, sunod-sunod, diary of events that are measured in pesos. The diary, this diary of events referred to in the definition are the journals and the ledgers, which will be discussed in future chapters. So after recording, the next process is communicating. This occurs through the preparation and distribution of financial and other accounting reports. Okay, so magpe-prepare na ng mga accounting reports, financial statements to be able to analyze the financial status of a certain organization. According to the American Accounting Association or AAA, accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating economic information to permit informed judgments and decisions by users of the information. Another definition from Accounting Standards Council or the SFAS number 1, accounting is a service activity. Its function is to provide quantitative, its numbers, information, primarily financial in nature. about economic entities that is intended to be useful in making economic decisions. Another definition from AICPA Terminology Committee: accounting is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner, and in terms of money, transactions and events which are, in part at least, of a financial character, and interpreting the results thereof. So now let's proceed to the nature of accounting. Accounting is a service activity. When we say accounting is a service activity, accounting provides assistance to decision makers by providing them financial reports that will guide them in coming up with sound decisions. So bakit siya tinawag na service activity? No, because it provides assistance doon sa mga nagdedesisyon doon sa isang organization. Based on the financial reports, they will come up with a sound decision for the betterment of their organization. Number two, accounting is a process. Bakit naman siya tinawag na accounting is a process? So, i-define muna natin yung process. A process refers to the method of performing any specific job step by step according to the objectives or targets. Accounting is identified as a process because it performs the specific task of collecting, processing, and communicating financial information. So there is a specific task. There is a process of collecting, processing, and communicating financial information. In doing so, it follows some definite steps like the collection, the recording, the classification, summarization, finalization, and reporting of financial data. Ayan. So, merong mga steps na kailangang sundan. Hindi pwedeng tatalon ka na agad. Nasa step 1 ka, tatalon ka na agad sa step 3. So, it's not that way. Number 3, accounting is both an art and a discipline. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying, summarizing, and finalizing financial data. Okay? So, merong art of recording, art of classifying, art of summarizing, and art of finalizing financial data. The word art refers to the way something is performed. Ba? When we say art, ito yung something we do. Like, let's say, sa paglalaba, there is an art, diba, in washing clothes. Mauuna muna yung puti bago yung decolor. Diba? So, ganun din sa accounting. Accounting is an art and a discipline as well. So, it is behavioral knowledge involving a certain creativity and skill. Okay? Merong certain creativity and skill to help us attain some specific objectives. Accounting is a systematic method consisting of definite techniques, and its proper application requires skill and expertise. Yan. Accounting is a systematic method. Merong mga definite techniques. And yung kanyang techniques, when you apply the techniques, no, it requires the skill and expertise. Kailangan, when you do journalizing, you know how to record transactions. So, by nature, accounting is an art, right? And because it follows certain standards and professional ethics, it is also a discipline. So, nagpa-follow ng mga certain standards and professional ethics ang pag-accounting. Meron niyang mga standards, meron niyang mga ethics, like being a teacher. There are certain standards and professional ethics to be followed para magampanan ng maayos o magawa ng maayos. So that explains accounting is an art and a discipline. Number 4, accounting deals with financial information and transactions. Meaning to say, accounting records financial transactions and data, classifies these, and finalizes their results given for a specified period of time as needed by their users. Okay? It records financial transactions and data. And then i-classify and then ipa-finalize yung results for a specified period of time. Then, at every stage, from start to finish, accounting deals with financial information and financial information only. So, nakita ninyo, paulit-ulit, dalawang beses nyo sinabi, financial information and financial information only. Yun lang yung pinapakita ng accounting. It does not deal with non-monetary, no? Hindi siya nagdi-deal or nagpapakita ng mga non-monetary or non-financial aspects of such information. Alright? Hindi siya, ang accounting ay tungkol sa pera ng isang organization, institution, company, or business. Then number 5, accounting is an information system. When we say that accounting is recognized and characterized as a storehouse of information. When we say storehouse ay tambakan or imbakan ng impormasyon. Kaya siya information system. As a service function, it collects, processes, and communicates financial information of any entity. Collects, processes, and communicates financial information. This discipline of knowledge has evolved to meet the need for financial information as required by various interested groups. So, yan, kailangan yan ay ginagawa talaga yung pag-accounting ng isang financial information ng isang business because financial or the interested users of the financial report can use it. Like, if you want to get a loan, no, kung may negosyo ka at maglo-loan ka, hinahanap ng mga creditors yung financial reports ng company because that will be their basis if they are going to lend you a loan or not. Or if they will lend you money, they can analyze if you can pay your amortization or your obligation. All right, that would be all about the definition and the nature of accounting. Thank you for watching and listening. God bless you.